Hello everyone. Every journey at Gamer to Maker begins with an idea and ends with a game. Today, we are offboarding our Elites Design Diploma Batch, and before they move on to the next chapters in their life, we are doing one last thing. We are playing their games one final time. What started as concepts, prototypes, and late night iterations has now become fully playable experiences. This is a celebration of their growth, their creativity, and the designers that they have become. Let's dive in.
Arcade sim. Nice. Why am I black, bro? Just because you have to make money doesn't mean you have to be black. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, there was more. Yes. अरे दे दिया. Okay, thank you. Oh, this means you can play this game. अरे वाह.
Yes,
Love it.
sir. Arnav was the one in charge with the dialogue, so you can thank him.
Bro, where are the power-ups?
Sadly, there aren't.
Bro, if there's no power-up, why am I even playing this? My god. Okay, how do I escape? Escape. Hop.
Yep.
Whack-a-mole, let's go. Wait. I score, final score. Nice, this was fun.
That's pretty damn good.
Let's dance. Oh, miss.
Yeah, it's gonna get difficult now.
Why is the screen shaking, bro?
You missed a note, bro.
Oh, this is crazy. Hub. Nice. There are only 3, right? No, there's 4. Oh, which is the 4th one? Space shooter, of course. Oh,
Make sure to don't touch the enemies, the damage as well, so.
bro, to think this was what tournaments used to be conducted for. Ek time mein. Insane. Bro, that's a lot of HP for such a tiny person. Okay, nice. This was fun. Good experience.
Yeah. Okay, we want to proceed with the tutorials.
Hey,
Yes.
welcome to 3D Hustle. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Follow hologram guide to get started. Go to computer and press E to interact. Choose any order you like, then DM the customer to get started.
Okay.
Exit this app, then move towards to the tab on right side beside computer to manage accepted orders.
Okay, that is red.
Good. Filament added. They hope you added the right filament. If not, so the printing won't start. If wrong filament, browse through 3D printer app by pressing E. Go to dashboard page greater than remove filament. Reattach another one.
Okay, this is pretty good.
या हो गया तुम्हारा दिल दो हो गया.
The order model has been printed.
Yay!
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hey, what is Nitish ordering? Okay. Move to the printer. PTG gray. Yellow gray. Yellow black. So that's pretty good.
Unfortunately, Shoaib is not there.
Now carry this package outside the house and place it inside the delivery shelf.
Tell Nitish G पे 100 bro. Okay. Headset holder भेज दिया गया उसका. Cool man. I really love this. Okay, settings. Okay, is it done? See the credits. Game design, Ash Kumar Sahu, Avesh Mark.
ये कहानी है.
Well, you can skip this if you press U.
I get that
All
Ghost of
thanks to
Tsushima vibes.
Sushi vibes.
जब से जानों ने अपनी सेना के साथ सैकड़ों की जानें ली.
This is one of the best, like cutscenes. I feel like in all of G2M games.
पर इतने अंधकार के
Did someone make
Thank
this
you,
or is this
thank you.
AI?
My concept artist made all this.
इतना बलवान
Nice.
And then Prithvi and Abhay made the cutscene and everything.
पूरी धरती को उसने दानवों के अत्याचारों से मुक्त कर दिया। दानवों के अंत के साथ उस योद्धा का कार्य पूर्ण हुआ और वह शस्त्र छुपा दिया गया। कहानियों की माने अनंत काल से ये शस्त्र अपने अगले अधिकारी की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है।
Games cinematic. Oh,
Yeah, it will not feel that good, but yeah, we have added it.
I can visibly hear my CPU, like, making big sounds. That's not good.
Really sorry for that.
Yeah, my CPU is like, "Ah!" It's not like everything. It's good.
ये धैर्यवान के बाल नहीं है?
Yeah, actually we removed it. वरना वो चलता ही नहीं. Like game काम ही नहीं करता. वो हमारा कोई ऑर्गेनिक आर्टिस्ट भी नहीं था ना.
ऑप्टिमाइज
और
करने के लिए बंदे को कैंसर दे दिया. क्रेजी. Insane.
All right. It's pretty good. Aha, I see you. Okay, left click. Oh, full roundhouse kick. That's not necessary, but you know what? Style points.
Yep.
Not even necessary. Bro is like in your close vicinity, but nah, bro went for the roundhouse.
I think more optimization is needed.
Yeah, for sure.
There are some places where it will, drop FPS a bit. Yeah.
Oof, 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 oof. Understood. Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you do this thing it will dodge. So you will have to do a proper, perfect dodge. Yeah, now you can go and attack him. But yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Now you can attack him.
Okay. I'm so scared, man. I'm already on lurch. Oh my god, this guy is like pounding me, proper.
So yeah. You can do, full 4 combos. Yep. And yep, you can damage him a lot.
Okay, restart. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, take that dish. Let's go. Oof. The sky is so beautiful though.
Just change everything.
Investigation. Search the surrounding area to find clues. Okay, press F to investigate an object. Finding clues shall progress the story further. Okay, understood. Okay. Oh, can we push idol? Yes, we can. Damn. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we planned it that way only.
Oh, I see that. I go get it. Okay, nothing else. But absorbing lessons. Understood. Understood. Okay. Huh?
Oh, did you got
Oh,
stuck? Oh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, yeah.
I'm gonna enjoy doing this. I'm gonna move from my position.
Well, actually,
Yeah.
you can kill him if you want. You just have to,
Oh.
Bro is like statue, and he agrees.
No, actually, you have to yeah, break that flower. ऊपर जो है ना. Yeah, cool. Now you have to run, otherwise you will die. Yeah, we have here in our cutscene, so yeah, this is how he looks. Really.
Nice. Oh, I see a primary mistake with your cutscene. Cutscene with this guy has hair.
Yeah, I told you, right?
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so one of the things I really appreciate about Bellark is this UI, man. Feels very high quality. Do you know how things? No, I don't. Teach me, sir.
I know the tutorial's a little text heavy and all information heavy, but there was no other way we could get it done.
The risk of over explanation is a thing that is worth to take because if people don't understand shit, that is even worse. They feel like your game isn't even good enough. Jor Knight. Okay.
Yeah, and then you can move there. Yeah.
Ah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, even in chess, people basically record their movements. Right?
This is one of the updates we made with like the style, like the input style has changed now. It just cycles between both of those basically.
Understood. Understood.
Try spawning a hellbird, it would be easier to kill. This unit has doesn't have much damage, that's why you like it's taking that long to kill him. Yeah. You move backward and you'll still be like the attack range. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Ah,
We go.
So you can just play the actual this thing, just hit randomize or autocomplete. Both of them create decks that are better for you, and you can just see the environment and just give us an answer on like what do you think we should use.
autocomplete. Okay. Oh.
Yeah. This,
Oh. Okay.
If you look on the right side, below the picture of the character, you can see where he can move, where he can attack. And while you're placing the unit as well, it shows you live where the position is. So you can use that to kind of help you know whether he could attack or he can't attack.
Wait. That's already.
yeah, you selected it. It's available.
Oh.
It's
What?
right.
That is okay. Snowman is broken, dude. Holy shit! Straight up. That is so cool, man. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
We were so proud of finding that yandere laugh.
Cool, man. I love it. It looks so good.